So today I'm going to be showing you how to change the fan motor out on this very hard to find Daewoo fan. Our replacement is an aftermarket that we developed. It's perfectly compatible, same specs, same speed, same everything. And this is to help you guys replace these because these have been really hard to find. The Daewoo ones are not available anymore, but our aftermarket one is perfect. If you click in the link below, you can see a link on where to buy this aftermarket motor from our store. Anyway, there's two different Daewoo fans. This one has 2 wires. Our replacement has 2 wires. This is to show you how to do the 2-wire version. If you don't see 2 wires, if you have 3 wires, you have a different fan. See our different videos on that, but this is for the 2-wire version. Anyway, you're going to first start by just taking the blade off. And you're going to flip it over. Just unscrew the Phillips screw. Take the cover off. Pull the wires out of the harnesses. Then you're going to pull the fan out of the body. Be sure to take the grommet off. Put the grommet on the new fan. Put the fan in the housing. Put the cover on, make sure the grommet's still intact. Screw it in. And there you have it. We've put the new fan in and put the blade on. And now you're good to go. Here's the new one. Here's the old one that we took out. They're indistinguishable. This will work perfectly. Just click on the link below if you want to buy this non-OEM aftermarket fan from our store. Thank you.